How to log in to Peopleperhour on mobile and web. First of all, open your mobile web browser and go to peopleperhour.com. On the home page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select the login button. Enter the email address and password you used when creating your account. You can also choose to log in using Google, Facebook, LinkedIn or Apple ID for quicker access. After entering your details, tap Login to access your account. Now you can easily check your project, client messages and profile directly from your mobile browser. If you have forgotten your password, select Forget Password, enter your email and follow the instructions to reset it securely. For web login, open your preferred browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Click Login at the top right corner. Enter your email and password or use Google, Facebook, LinkedIn or Apple ID for faster access. Then click Login to open your dashboard where you can manage your project, respond to client messages and update your profile. Now you know how to log in to Peopleperhour on mobile and web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.